Open the side cover plate. Unscrew the locking knob. Note that the Y spool unwinds counterclockwise. Mount the Y spool. Tighten the locking knob. Loosen the drive roll hub. Unscrew the knob. Uncheck the drive roll size. One side is 0.8 mm. The other is 1.0 mm. Identify the size by the groove width. And select the corresponding groove for your wire diameter. We are using 1.0 mm wire this time. She'll orient the 1.0 mm groove inward. Install it onto the drive roll hub. Repeat for the adjacent drive roll. Align the drive roll grooves during installation. Tighten the knob.